guys, today I got my fidget toy package. I'm super excited to open it. Let's get into it. Oh, okay. Okay, now I'm going to open it. Gosh, guys, look at this. There's so many things. Let's open it. First, we have this wacky truck. Let's open it. Whoa, this feels so cool. It's like you can twist around with it. And it feels really good. I love it so much. Now let's go on to the next one. This is a DNA ball. Let's see it. Whoa. This is super duper cool. And I love the balls in it. Feels really good. And oh my gosh, guys, look at this pop-it. Let me just open it. Whoa. Whoa, oh my god. This feels so good. I love it so much. Here. And also this is a pea popper. Oh my gosh, look at that cute face. So cute. Super nice. Yeah. Next we have some monkey noodles. And this is super duper stretchy and I really love it. It's like it's like stretching fidget toy. It's really nice. Oh my gosh. There's this dimple. Let me just open it. Oh my gosh. This feels so good. Oh my god. I've been waiting for this like forever. This feels so nice. This is the next one. Whoa, look at this. It's a mini dimple and it's so cute. It's so I love the feeling of it. It's super nice. This is the other one. This is marble mesh. And oh my gosh, guys, this feels so good. Like, oh my god. And then there's also there's two more of them in a pink and yellow. Here is the snapper fidget toy. Oh my gosh, whoa. You just have to like snap it and it feels so nice. And it makes super cool snapping sounds. Very pretty, very nice. And here are the acupressure rings. So this is, whoa, this feels so nice. This is the gold one. This is the silver one. It's like super cool. And oh my gosh, we have this bike chain and it feels so good. Whoa. Oh yeah, and here's another monkey noodle. This is another wacky truck. And it's blue and green. And I love it. Oh, here's another acupressure ring. And another pea popper. And that's it for the video, guys. Bye!